Namaskar children, as we have finished the chapter Sankalp, today I am going to take a new lesson, Bahishkar. See children, this chapter is only for reading. So, take page number 92 and write down there only for reading. Okay? And all of you listen. Bahishkar. Bahishkar means boycott. What do you mean by boycott? Boycott means refusing to buy something. Refusing to buy something is boycott. This chapter is about a great personality. You all familiar with this great personality? Yes. Her name is Indira Gandhi. See children, we are getting a lot of inspiration from the life of great personalities. This chapter is about the childhood of Indira Gandhi, the former Prime Minister of India. She was appointed as the Prime Minister in 1966. She was killed by her own bodyguard. So children, Indira Gandhi was only the daughter of our former Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Her mother's name was Kamala. Her full name was Indira Priyadarshini. Now all of you listen carefully and look in your book, okay? उन दिनों देश में विदेशी वस्त्रों के बहिष्कार की लहर थी. Those time Indians were boycotting the foreign dress. उन दिनों देश में means in our country. विदेशी वस्त्रों के बहिष्कार means the Indian people, they were boycotting the foreign dress. जगह जगह विदेशी वस्त्रों की होली जलाई गई. The foreign dress were burned everywhere. They were enjoying this as Holi. जगह जगह विदेशी वस्त्रों means foreign dress. जगह जगह विदेशी वस्त्रों की होली जलाई गई. How we celebrate Holi? Once I told you children that Holi, on the eve of Holi, people used to burn all the जो चीजें अच्छी ना हो. In Malayalam we say tinmagal. All these means children, unwanted things. We can say unwanted things we used to burn on the eve of Holi. Same thing here, the people were burning the unwanted thing, that is the foreign dress. which is not made in India, and people were boycotting this foreign dress. घर में बड़ों की देखा देखी उस छोटी सी बच्ची ने भी विदेशी वस्त्र पहनना छोड़ दिया. As I told that she was a child, and at that time Priyadarshini, what she saw that her family members boycotting all the things, means boycotting foreign things, whatever things had in their house, all foreign things the family members were boycotting. When she saw this, when this Priyadarshini saw this, she also stopped wearing this foreign dress. She saw that all the members were boycotting this dress, burning this dress, so she also stopped to wear foreign dress. घर में कोई हम उम्र बच्चा तो था नहीं, सो वह एक प्यारी सी गुड़िया को अपना दोस्त समझती और उसे सदा अपने पास रखती. Yes, as I told that when she saw her family members were boycotting all foreign things, so she also boycotted the foreign things. Whatever she had, all things she boycotted. But she was only child in her home. So she had nobody to play with, nor she had any same age children in her home. But she had a very cute doll and considered it as her own friend. वह उस गुड़िया को अपना दोस्त समझती थी और उसे सदा अपने पास रखती. And she always kept it with herself. Why? Because she, in that house, she don't have any same age children in the house. So she had a doll and always she keep that doll with her. What happened? एक दिन उसके एक रिश्तेदार ने टोक दिया. One day a relative came to her house and that rishtedar means relative, and that relative came and asked her, जब तुम विदेशी फ्रॉक नहीं पहनती तब फिर विदेशी गुड़िया क्यों अपने पास रखती हो? See, why do you keep foreign doll when you don't wear foreign frocks? Then what the relative told to her, that you boycotted all your foreign things. Then why do you keep foreign doll with you? Why do you keep foreign doll with you? जब तुम विदेशी फ्रॉक नहीं पहनती, you are not wearing the foreign frock, then why do you keep विदेशी गुड़िया with you? तब फिर विदेशी गुड़िया क्यों अपने पास रखती हो? Why do you keep foreign doll with you? Like that relative asked to her. बात तो हंसी मजाक में कही गई थी. It was said jokingly पर बच्ची को वह बात लग गई. But the girl, she understood that what that relative told to her. उसने अपनी प्यारी गुड़िया उठाई. She picked up his cute doll और छत पर जाकर उसे जला डाला. And went to the roof and burned it. She burned that doll. Why? Because that relative asked her, no, that you boycotted everything, means all foreign things. But why do you keep this doll with you? This doll is also a foreign thing. She understood what that relative told to her. So she went to the roof. She picked that doll and went to the roof and she burned it. As उसे ऐसा करने में दुख तो बहुत हुआ. She felt very sad. क्योंकि why? Because एकमात्र गुड़िया ही उसकी संगी साथी थी. Why? Because the only doll was her companion. Her friend. That doll was her friend, her companion. फिर भी उसे संतोष था कि वह देश प्रेम की राह पर बढ़ रही है. Yet she was satisfied that she is moving on the path of patriotism. देश प्रेम. देश प्रेम means one who love his country. One who have love towards their country. Patriotism. देश प्रेम. यह बच्ची और कोई नहीं. This girl was none other than जवाहरलाल नेहरू की बेटी इंदिरा प्रियदर्शनी थी. This girl was none other than Jawaharlal Nehru's daughter Indira Priyadarshini. This girl was Jawaharlal Nehru's daughter Indira Priyadarshini. So children, I hope you all understood this chapter. See, once again I am telling you, this chapter is only for reading. Children, you can write, you by heart everything. But I found you feel very difficult to read. Reading is very important. So children, you should have the practice of reading. So listen carefully. See the pronunciation, how I am reading. All of you listen carefully. No need to study any word meanings. Just to understand, I translated this in English. You should know Hindi. Why? Because your subject is Hindi. So you should understand Hindi. उन दिनों देश में विदेशी वस्त्रों के बहिष्कार की लहर थी. उन दिनों देश में विदेशी वस्त्रों के बहिष्कार की लहर थी. जगह जगह विदेशी वस्त्रों की होली जलाई गई. घर में बड़ों की देखा देखी उस छोटी सी बच्ची ने भी विदेशी वस्त्र पहनना छोड़ दिया। घर में कोई हम उम्र बच्चा तो था नहीं, सो वह एक प्यारी सी गुड़िया को ही अपना दोस्त समझती थी और उसे सदा अपने पास रखती। एक दिन उसके एक रिश्तेदार ने टोक दिया, जब तुम विदेशी फ्रॉक नहीं पहनती तब फिर विदेशी गुड़िया क्यों अपने पास रखती हो? बात तो हंसी मजाक में कही गई थी, पर बच्ची को वह बात लग गई। उसने अपनी प्यारी गुड़िया उठाई और छत पर जाकर उसे जला डाला। उसे ऐसा करने में दुख तो बहुत हुआ, क्योंकि एकमात्र गुड़िया ही उसकी संगी साथी थी। फिर भी उसे संतोष था कि वह देश प्रेम की राह पर बढ़ रही है। यह बच्ची और कोई नहीं, जवाहरलाल नेहरू की बेटी इंदिरा प्रियदर्शिनी थी। So children, you have to read this, okay? So, reading lesson Bahishkar. Bahishkar, boycott. Bahishkar means boycott. Videshi, hard words I am writing here. Videshi, foreign. Hum umr means same age. Gudiya, doll. Gudiya, doll. रिश्तेदार, रिश्तेदार means relative. प्यारी, प्यारी means cute. छत, छत means roof. एकमात्र, see children, एकमात्र means only. संगी साथी, संगी साथी means companion. Next is देश प्रेम, देश प्रेम. Patriotism, these are the hard words of this chapter. If you feel any other hard words, you can ask. Okay children, I hope you all understood this chapter very well. So, thank you. Namah Shivaya.